Okay, YouTube, so I've already loosened it. I'm gonna take off this this head back off and see how things have came along or didn't. And survey says that actually did quite a bit, I think. I don't know if you can make a flashlight out, but that's what's left. Pretty sure it's got quite a bit of that stuff up there off. I don't really know if y'all can see that any. So this is where we're at with it. Definitely did seem like I did something, so that's always a good thing. I got some Scotch-Rite pads that I gotta grab and try seeing what I can do with that. Shot. Okay, YouTube, so I think I see an issue those. It really reminds me of a sand entrapments and casting, but let me bring y'all in to see if I can get y'all a look at it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Up there. Oh, there's piston. Right there. Right into that flashlight. There's actually a hole. I deal with something similar that looks like a sand entrapment is what it really reminds me of, and I know you can't see a thing. Right in there. Right in that center. Right there, right above my finger. So, let's see what we can do. I mean, if that's the case, then that's sure as heck ain't gonna build compression, and then we are pretty much screwed with this engine. So, and that's pretty sure it's too deep to bowl out. So that means this engine is shot. The block is shot at least. If that's the case, I'm half tempted to find an Onan motor. See if I can just find an Onan motor like this. And the only difference really with them, well, I gotta make sure this is gonna work. I was gonna say the only difference is the crankshaft, which I thought about changing that. But it's also how it mounts too. And if that's, hopefully that's just a plate you take off. If it is, we'll be in business. Kind of looking like it is, but I'm not completely sure about that. So, we will find out. But thank you for watching. I know it's kind of a bowling video, but yeah. So let me see what we can figure out and go from there.